Welcome to the channel, folks. Mr. H here for a quick news flash in the world of The Batman. This is, of course, well, the untitled Batman film, courtesy of Matt Reeves. Now, this is an interesting turn of events because it would seem that potentially Matt Reeves' The Batman is going to be taking place actually in the 90s. This comes to us from a report from Discussing Film, and they state that it will take place in the 90s and will apparently revolve around Batman trying to crack a mystery which brings the hero back to his detective roots. Reeves is currently finishing up the screenplay after doing additional rewrites to include more action to service the story, and apparently the report also states that Matt Reeves and DC is most likely not going to go for an unknown actor to play Bruce Wayne and Batman. This is an interesting turn of events because, of course, if it's going to be setting in the 90s, what happens with respect to everyone else in the DC universe? Is this now confirmation that it will be out of the DCEU? Who knows? Because, of course, we were looking for a younger Batman for this movie. We were going to be seeing a whole roster of the Rogues Gallery for Batman as well. So it does seem to indicate, anyway, that this may be outside of the DCEU. But anyway, guys, what do you think about this? Let me know down below in the comments section. It's interesting because, of course, Captain Marvel's just come out, and now and that was set in the 90s, and now we hear that the Batman's going to be set in the 90s. Coincidence? Who knows? Anyway, guys, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. If you are new here, hit subscribe. Stay up to date on all the world of pop culture and movie news. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I've been Mr. H. Take care.